Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fat the body can't make on its own. They're called essential because we need them to survive and must consume them in our diet. But on average, most Americans aren't getting enough omega-3s from food due to more processed food sources with low levels of omega-3s and excessively high levels of pro-inflammatory omega-6s. This imbalance can lead to a number of health concerns. That's why supplementation of omega-3s is so important to maintaining normal inflammatory balance in your body. EPA and DHA from fish are the most well-known omega-3s. They're critical for brain development, cognitive function, and mood, and are also key components of the heart, skin, joints, eyes, and immune system. A newly discovered omega-3 called DPA has similar benefits. Research shows it acts as an emergency reserve that the body taps into when it needs an extra boost of omega-3s. Understanding the importance of fish oil is one thing, but choosing an effective, high-quality fish oil is another. Low-quality fish oil can potentially do more harm than good. Rancid oils, high amounts of mercury, and other pollutants often make it into the bottles of these supplements. Orthomega is a different kind of fish oil supplement. Orthomega 820 boasts a substantial 820 milligrams of EPA and DHA, as well as 50 milligrams of DPA, a therapeutic dose designed to bolster omega-3 reserves in your body. Orthomega is purified of mercury, lead, and other harmful chemicals and pollutants. Orthomega fish oil contains only the triglyceride form, the one bioidentical to omega-3s found in fish. The natural triglyceride form improves the absorption of omega-3s in your body, far better than the semi-synthetic ethyl ester form found in many fish oil supplements. Orthomega is manufactured in small, frequent batches and includes potent antioxidants to maintain peak freshness. The formula is free of fishy taste and smell. That means no fish burps. Rebalance your body by choosing Orthomega, the sustainably sourced, most trusted line of professional fish oil supplements available.